someone tries to steal this 2021 BMW X3, even if they have the key, they're not going to be able to, because it's protected with a Halo Mini. So they can get the vehicle started with the key, but they can't drive it off because it's simply locked into park. So if we keep trying, the vehicle doesn't come out of park at all, and it's going nowhere. So we have a code before we can drive this. Just for the video, we have a nice simple code. We get that flash, and now it will allow us to select a gear. Turn the car off, system self-activates, so you don't need to worry about it. As soon as you leave the car, a couple seconds later you get a flash, and now your vehicle's going nowhere. So if you pulled up at home, someone tried to steal your key to take your car, you know it's going nowhere because you have a Halo Mini. So one more time, you start it, go through your code, receive a flash from the full beam over there, which is instant, and now you can select your gear and drive away. This system can be placed into service mode for dealer visits, and as long as it's there, it's in service mode, it's going to be a normal car. It's as if you don't have an immobiliser on here. When you get it back, you can turn the system back on, it reactivates and you're back to normal, your vehicle's secure. You don't have to hand over your code. Obviously, if you give that out to the wrong person, you make the system vulnerable. So service mode allows you to turn it off. They can diagnose any issues without interference. You also don't disclose your code, and your vehicle remains secure. To get one of these fitted, our number's 0208 212 7393. You can either give us a call or visit our website to book your installation and secure your vehicle. This is a Halo Mini on a BMW X3 2021.